Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video, we'll discuss how we can install Signal desktop application on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So that's been said, let's get started. To install Signal on Ubuntu operating system, simply open the new App Center. You can access it from the dock panel, or else you can also open App Center from the Ubuntu search. For that, simply click on Ubuntu icon and here on the search option, search for App Center and open the application. So this is the new App Center. Now to install Signal application, simply on the search option, search for Signal, and from the search result, simply select Signal desktop application. And here from the drop-down menu, simply select the channel, then click on install. Now enter your Ubuntu system password for the authentication, then click on authenticate and wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, simply close the App Center application. Now click on Ubuntu icon and here on the app drawer, you will find the Signal application. If you don't get the Signal application, simply use the search and open the application. So this is the interface of Signal application. Now to use it, you have to scan this QR code with the help of Signal app on your phone. For that, simply open Signal application on your phone, go to settings, then go to linked devices and scan this QR code, and you are ready to use Signal on your Ubuntu operating system. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.